children. The day for computer age. I've been at jet age. And everything they move so fast. Pa, 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 pa. Time for time, wait for nobody. So, even I won't ask on a question. Say, right now I have to think ahead. The kind of man when I won't live, the man when I won't marry, when I go take, when I go take care of, and I go take care of her forever. Ejiro, make I start with you. Which kind of man, what kind of man do you wish to marry in the future?
And Daddy, let the future come first.
What do you mean let the future? This is your father talk. You must think ahead. Tomorrow in the future. You have to reason ahead now. You have to think, calculate ahead now. Say, oh, and this kind of man go feed me. You hear me? Which kind of man you want marry? Plan
Ahead.
Yes.
Come on, you're Opa. So I want to marry someone like Lee Min Ho, you know.
Which kind of name is that?
South Korean, tall, handsome, rich, a multi-billionaire. He has to be a billionaire. If he's not a billionaire, I'm not going to marry him.
Very important.
You know, if it's not Lee Min Ho, I'm not going to marry anybody else. It has to be Lee Min Ho because it gives. So.
Has to be a billionaire.
Yes.
I want man.
Yes. South Korean.
Oh, the man will come from South Korea.
Exactly. If it's not him, I'm not marrying anybody else.
He's also.
Yes, my perfect man.
Oh yeah, man.
Thank you, Thank you, Pa.
Rukewe. Yeah, what kind of man do you want to marry in the future?
Daddy, I want to get married to an Indian man.
Sure.
Yes.
Indian. If he's not Indian, I'm not marrying him.
Her.
I want the kind of connection that Z-World and Bollywood get, kind of close up, the kind of slow motion, looking into my eyes, holding me, taking care of me, taking a bullet for me like Sharon.
Oh my God.
Pampering me, looking into my eyes, falling in his eyes. And Daddy, it must be a business like it. It must have cars, houses, and it must be rich, a trillionaire. That's it.
Yes.
Bollywood.
It gives.
Z-World.
Z-World.
You can come and sing song of.
Daddy, I even have one here. The Julia.
Some things here. Hey, Ejiro. Tony Owe. Billionaire. Rukewe. Trillionaire. Tony, yes, you're over to you.
First of all, thank you very much for this opportunity. I think by now everyone knows that I'm a goddess and I'm a boss. So I want a man that will worship the ground that I walk on. You know, someone that would give me breakfast in bed, that would treat me like the goddess that I am.
Yes.
You know, I don't even have time for all these small words. I want a man that when I say move, he moves. Because we don't have time. Like 2024. I know they agree for anybody.
Go girl.
I want a yacht to myself. I want him to get me a private jet. I want him to get me a fleet of cars. I want to travel around the world. As in, I want to have. I have goddess when I deserve to be treated.
Goddess energy.
And age is not a number. You know it's just a number. You understand? We don't really care about that. So he has to be rich. I want a
different
man
from Bala Blue, Bulaba.
So that when he kicks the bucket, God rest his soul, you know, he can leave all the property. So I would utilize the properties effectively and efficiently, and you know, treat myself to how I'm supposed to be.
You know the drill. It gives, sir. It gives.
All in all, it must be a zillionaire. Money where I know if it counts.
Yeah, money way I know if it counts.
Arab friends.
Arab prince.
Arab.
Yes. An Arab prince or a big African type.
Okay, Ejiro, Korea. You, India.
Yes, sir.
So you, Arab.
Prince.
So now mama, when they want baby seat, we globe trot, it go turn to Ajala travel all over the world.
Sir. This giving, it gives.
From South Korea to India, from India to Arab. Oh, Buku. Unasuna se. Where rokwala na rubuwe. I'm read some things here.
Goals.
You know, and I know waiting did here. All this one at the talk now. A man will get perfect, abi.
Of course.
Be like, so now go marry Jesus Christ, so because only Jesus Christ now they perfect. And if since one that they talk about million, billion, trillion, and I'll go with Solomon from the Bible because now I rich, now they marry plenty. So they just marry 3 of them together. Abi?
Well,
It's an option.
it's an option.
You know.
It's not your way. Sure. Babu. Listen, my children. It good make una get dreams. I not say make una not get dream, but make I tell una. Make una not go marry person because of property, because of this, because of that. Make una marry person when go love una, when go care for una, when go also love. I not say me wanna go marry poverty. I not talk so, but then the kind man wanna go spend una life with, a man when you say go dey very caring, the man wanna go take care of when it comes to love, the man when una love well, so that una go understand una self, so that care for you. What matter most in marriage we work together because wetin matter na happiness. Wetin matter for marriage, not only happiness, understanding. Once you understand yourself, and once there is joy, everything would come. Because good orientation, when they orientate the children, na matter. Una hear me so?
Yes,
So
Papa.
make una mellow down. Talk so.
Yes, Papa.
Zilonia, you hear what I talk?
Yes, yeah, but can't it be understanding and still be an Arab prince though?
Of a man of 100 plus, Abi, where go kick pocket, na. Trilonia, she, you hear what I talk?
Yeah, but must be an Indian man. And a trillionaire. Yes, it must be an Indian man.
It must be
Yes,
trillionaire.
yes.
No problem. Jiro,
Yes, Papa.
you say that billionaire.
It has to be living hood, sir. If not, then I'm not going to marry.
Talk say no, me are not there against where the man they come from. Anywhere the man they come from, as long as saying that this life or this world, I'm okay. But man will go make you happy, go make him happy, and understand myself. And I hear me,
Yes, sir.
we did well.
That do me
Yes, sir.
Friend,